How AI agents actually work. Imagine the smartest employee in the world, one that never sleeps, never gets tired, and builds software while you're asleep. This is an AI agent.
Within the next few years, AI agents may replace millions of repetitive jobs, not because they're more intelligent than humans, but because they never stop working.
How do they actually think? How do they make decisions? Let's go inside the mind of an AI agent.
Imagine your boss says, "Find the cheapest flight to Tokyo next month. Compare hotels. Book the best one. Put everything into Excel. Email me."
A chatbot explains how. An AI agent would actually do it, without asking you every 5 minutes. It becomes an autonomous worker, just like an employee. Chapter 2. Every AI agent has 5 major parts. Think of it like the human brain. Goal, brain, memory, tools, and actions.
Instead of forgetting everything, it remembers previous steps. It uses tools like Google, Python, and Excel, just like a human uses software.
They constantly ask, what should I do next? Understand, research, design, write, and test.
Every time a task finishes, the agent checks, did it work? If yes, move forward. If not, try another solution. This process is called reasoning. It is digital logic.
It's surprisingly similar to how humans solve problems, except it happened thousands of times faster. Next, we'll look at how agents work together. Chapter 4. The secret weapon. An AI agent is rarely alone. Companies now build teams of AI agents. One researches, one writes, one checks. It's digital teamwork.
Chapter 5. Real-world examples. Customer support, software development, medical research. This isn't science fiction. It's already happening inside the world's biggest companies.
Chapter 6. The future. Imagine waking up. Your personal AI already finished your work. That future is much closer than most people realize.
The question isn't, will AI agents change work? The question is, will you learn to work alongside them before everyone else does?
Subscribe to 3D Decode for more simple 3D explanations of the world's most advanced technologies. See you in the next Decode.